However, gradually, this has become a time for people for
New harvesting.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the Speaking Sample series on the IELTS Workshop YouTube channel. My name is Quỳnh Anh, teacher of the freshman, sophomore, and junior courses at the IELTS Workshop. Today, we're going to tackle a part 2 topic about festivals. And as Tết Đoan Ngọ is coming, this is going to be my choice of topic for today's speaking sample. Let's go! When we talk about festivals in Vietnam, the most common names are usually Tết Holiday or the Mid-Autumn Festival. However, today I'm going to talk about Tết Đoan Ngọ, also known as the Double Five Festival, which is one of the most widely celebrated festivals in Vietnam. This festival actually originated from China. However, over time, it has been exported to neighboring Asian countries such as Vietnam, Japan, and Korea. The Double Five Festivals takes place when the distance between the sun and the earth is the shortest, making it comparable to the summer solstice. Cleansing rituals are an indispensable part of this festival. Vietnamese people believe that acidic food helps them eliminate parasites living in their body, so they have taken on the tradition of eating sour plums as well as rượu nếp, which is alcoholic fermented rice, in the morning when they wake up. Some people pick up leaves in their garden at 12 p.m. because they believe that leaves picked at this time have the strongest healing effects. Others drink herbal teas or soak themselves in herbal-infused water to prevent sickness. And naturally, Vietnamese people take this chance to reunite with their family members, as well as enjoy a lavish feast at noon. They also appease to gods and ancestors to pray for well-being. Like with many other festivals, what I appreciate most about the Double Five Festival has to be the food. While some Vietnamese regions consume bánh giò, which is dessert made from glutinous rice soaked in ash water, others indulge in duck dishes, either boiled or roasted. However, bánh giò is still a personal favorite. In Vietnam, the Double Five Festival is locally dubbed the National Cleansing Day or the Killing Insects Day, which is derived from the fact that farmers on this day kill all kinds of pests to prepare for a new harvest season. However, gradually, this has become a time for people to cleanse, to pray for good health, as well as for family reunions. Although not as widely known as the Tết holiday, Tết Đoan Ngọ or Double Five Festival remains a pivotal part of the Vietnamese culture. Okay, so that's it for the speaking sample for today. I hope that you have learned some more information about the festival itself and some new words for you to use in your writing and speaking practice. If you want more videos like this, please comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Once again, I'm Quỳnh Anh from the IELTS Workshop. Bye!